Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find XPL or Plasma wallet address on Binance. So as you can see, this is the XPL countdown and it will list on Binance spots. So if you want to transfer your XPL or Plasma token from your wallet or your airdrop to Binance exchange, it's very easy. You have to first find the wallet address. So I will show you how in this video. Make sure you watch this video until the end. So first you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see there is advanced here, you can click it. And then you can choose on-chain deposit. And then you can search XPL for Plasma, this one. And as you can see there is two network, Plasma or BNB Smart Chains. So make sure you choose the right network. Let's say I want to choose BNB Smart Chain, and then this is my XPL wallet address on Binance with BNB Smart Chain as a network. So when you transfer your XPL, make sure you choose the same network, so you can just copy it or scan it. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.